and I value my life more than anything that there is. So I'm going to get the best. I thought this was the best, so I bought it. It's an air scrubber, some type of a plasma air scrubber. And I called the factory and I asked for scientific information, and I was told that they have to dig in and search for it, and they have to get approval. Can you imagine that? They have to get approval to give me scientific information on a product that it's in my home, keeping me safe. Therefore, haven't received it, so I'm going to replace it. And I'm going to put a Varionics unit up here, which if I call and I can get the information online. They have no problem giving me the information. They spent a lot of money getting scientific information, and based on the demo unit that I used for about a couple of months, it works. Therefore, I'm going to invest the money to retrofit my air conditioning system with this unit, so that way I know I'm protected. So I got the unit right here, and I made a hole right up here. This is the main exit for the central air system throughout the house. So this unit is going to go right inside. It's going to stay on the outside, and then I'll show you how it's mounted when I'm done. So this is the top of my air duct system. This is that unit that they don't provide me scientific information. I disconnected that, and here I basically did a nice cut, made a hole so I can put that unit inside right here to start doing its work. Now this unit is now installed in the main central air system of a home. It's going to keep the air clean and fresh, and it's going to keep sanitizing the home so people don't get sick. Minimum of a 200 centimeters cube of ions, positive and negative clusters, is what it's going to provide throughout the house, and that's minimum. It can get up as high as 24 in certain areas. So I got the 110 installed on the kk1-sn, and power cord, just a simple power cord, goes all the way to a simple 110 plug. Now that I installed the unit up there, we'll see how everything goes.